While it is a balance between market timing and quality of delivery, it is always good to practice identifying your minimum viable products, MVP. This ensures that you focus all of your energy and resources first into delivering the most useful features of your service/product and delaying the nice-to-have and the exceptional viable product, EVP. As technology evolves rapidly, it is fascinating to see new things emerge almost every single day. This gives us the impression that we are building something new out of nowhere, where in reality, we are just consistently improving what was already there, little or by big leap. It is a sound to the CEO's ear to hear the team delivering more in less span of time, but we need to still go back to the fundamental principle of quality taking enough time. I want to give emphasis to the word enough, as this will put us to better perspective. I personally suggest to couple enough time with MVP. This is one major point where we can achieve quality at speed. From a software QA perspective, it is our primary goal to ensure that the defined business requirements and intended designs are met. We can do additional tests to mimic how an actual user will use and appreciate the service/product, but that is only the extent of what our internal teams can do. This will only give us the probably quality. Our service/product will require an actual user experience and feedback to fully gauge the actual quality level. This can be a combination of early feedback, reiterative data gathering, A/B testing, and more, which will ultimately map out the user activity and satisfaction level of the market to avail and continuously be with us.